to go, boy? Hey you, if you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen, and today we're going to be talking about the meal plan for next week. First, we're going to pull into this car wash, get clean, grab some groceries, and go over the meal plan. Y'all, I cannot see in these streets without them sunglasses because my eyes cannot handle the sun. I love the sun, but I cannot handle the sun. Alright, so Monday we're going to be having gravy meatloaf. We were actually in North Georgia visiting family for that particular week, and this particular night I made gravy meatloaf, and my brother was actually the one to inspire this meal, so this actually is for him. Tuesday, we're having lemon garlic chicken pasta. It was so delicious, and it was actually even better when it was made over the next day, or warmed over the next day. On Wednesday, we're having creamy, beefy, not soup. I mean, it is soup, but, you know, it's not soup. It's so good, though. I mean, it's like the best way to get some vegetables into your weekly meal. On Thursday, we're going in with the chicken garden plate. So the inspiration for this was I had went to buy some Japanese food, and it was so nasty. It was not fit to eat at all. I could not eat it. I actually gave most of it to Charlie, the observer. Charlie boy, did you like the food? It wasn't that good. It wasn't that good. I said, man, I can make this better at home. So let me figure out how to do that. Made it up, and oh my gosh, it's like I want that every week. On Friday, we went easy and made a slaw dog. Hold on, I gotta put on my glasses. On Friday, we made a slaw dog. Shout out to Fresh Air Barbecue in Macon. If you're passing through Georgia, in the middle Georgia area, stop off and get you some Fresh Air Barbecue, because I'm telling you right now, that thing is so good. It was so good. So we had some, and I ended up wanting to, I'm the only one that eats the slaw. So I said, well, let's do some slaw dogs, because I got to figure out how to eat all this slaw. And it worked out so well. It was so delicious.
No ties, no price, no need, no free, no ties.
Alright, so the car's all clean. We're about to head over and pick up some groceries.
No free.
Now that we know what's coming up for next week, let's look into what kind of prep you actually do have to do for this week. It's not much, but you're going to have to do just a little. So let's check it out now. I made homemade mashed potatoes and green beans from the garden as the sides to go with the gravy meatloaf. I just chunked up my potatoes, and I also diced up an onion to go down into the meatloaf. There was no prep to make the lemon garlic pasta. All I did was took my chicken and put it down in there to cook and then added in the sauce. And I mean, it was pretty much just a step-by-step thing, no prep needed. If you prep ahead for the not soup recipe, then this is going to basically be pretty much a dump and go recipe. Cut the potatoes into bite sizes and also cut the carrots into bite sizes, and this is pretty much the easiest way that I found to do it. There's my little peanut, the helper. I cut my onions into chunks. You don't want to cut your bites too small, but you don't want to cut them too big. This recipe is just a little bit of prep work, but again, if you do it ahead of time, it's going to be a dump and go meal, and it is so delicious. Like, I don't even buy out to eat Oriental food anymore. I cut up my green onions. It's actually for the whole week. I didn't use all that just for this recipe. I cut up my zucchini and my chicken into bite sizes. If you cut the zucchini into half and then cut them into half and then cut them into like the other way, it's going to be the easiest way that I found to cut that up. Friday is an easy, no prep, 15 minutes and dinner is done. If you follow me over to Patreon, I post a weekly download of the menu as well as the ingredients and a grocery list. Patreon is a monthly subscription, and it helps me to bring my service to who needs it. Life is busy and meal planning is a chore, but not anymore. The link is down in the description. Grab your groceries and come back Monday. It's a gravy meatloaf night. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.